So we've looked at correlation between two variables before in chapter 6, so 6.1. We looked at Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient. So Pearson's, and this number, this R value, was only good for finding the strength of a linear correlation. So Pearson's is only used for linear correlation between two variables. So in a scatter diagram, you would have a strong linear correlation if the data points line up more or less along a straight line. And in this case here, we see that they don't. But what we do find is that they sort of snake along this curve, which is not a straight line, but there is a pattern in it. And we do actually have a strong correlation in this, but we need to use a different model or a different coefficient. And this is where Spearman comes in. So we can use Spearman's rank correlation coefficient to find nonlinear correlations between variables. Let's say, for example, that the R value, let's put a little index here for Pearson's, the R value for this data set, let's say that this would be 0.8, and we could actually find that the R value for the Spearman rank correlation coefficient, that this R value shows that there is perfect correlation between the variables. So in the next video, we'll look at how this coefficient is calculated, and I'll use some examples in Excel and clear up some mistakes in the textbook as well. So let's just add this, that Spearman is used for non-linear correlation.